Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back now. We are in lesson number 17. These are ayahs number 63 of Surat al-Baqarah. A'udhu billahi min shaitan rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ. The mi is extended because the ya here. Mi. The tha here, this is a longer alif. So mi or long fatha. ميثاقكم ورفعنا فوقكم. This mu here is going to go into the alif lam ta. فوقكم الطورة فوقكم مُطُّ. You're going to drop the alif lam, go straight into the ta. Okay, let me bring that up here. Going straight into the ta. So you'd say, let's go back here slightly. Here. فوقكم الطور خذوا طورا خذوا. You don't read this. This has no movement. Just extends this. Khudu. In an Arabic language, it's just a command, a plural command. Khudu means all of you take. So the alif, waw and alif here is a grammatical. It has a meaning. It's just not there for no reason. Khudu ma ataynakum. خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ. Don't forget, big lesson, lot of mistakes always. Everyone forgets to look at the alif after Hamza, so they say أَتَيْنَاكُمْ آتَيْنَاكُمْ. This is a tricky one. Mim, sukun, followed by ba. Always you extend the meme. So you would say ما آتيناكم بقوة. So you hold it. آتيناكم بقوة, like that. Okay? So you don't say آتيناكم بقوة. You say آتيناكم بقوة. Then we are down here now. If you're going to join from there, بِقُوَّةٍ وَاذْكُرُوا مَا فِيهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. Shut down the ta. So you would say that. The first ta is a sukun. So tat. Then the second ta has a fatha. That's really what a shadda is. So, تَتَّقُونَ ثُمَّ تَوَلَّيْتُمْ من بعد ذلك فلولا فضل الله. So فضل الله عليكم. Now in the past, because you have a dhamma here, then the lafzul jalala, the glorious name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here, if before the name of Allah Most High there's a fatha or a dhamma, then you read the name of Allah Most High as a full mouth, meaning that it would sound like this: فَلَوْلَا فَضْلُ اللَّهِ Fadlullahi. If and only if there's a kasra here, fadli, let's say if it was fadli, then the name of Allah Ta'ala Most High is read as a small mouth. Often tajweed rules they call small mouth or read lightly. So it would become fadlillahi. Just saying if there was a kasra. But whenever there's a dhamma or a fatha before the name of Allah Most High, you would always read it as Allahi, not Illahi. So, فَلَوْلَا فَضْلُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ وَرَحْمَتُهُ. This just extends the ha. وَرَحْمَتُهُ لَكُنْتُمْ. What do we have here? We have another noon. What is it called? Noon sakina. Noon with a sukoon, in other words. If you have a noon with a sukoon, followed by the letter ta, or we saw earlier dal, then you do what is called ikhfa. And so you don't say lakuntum, you would say lakuntum, lakuntum, like that. You extend it. لَكُنْتُمْ مِنَ and then the rest of the ayah. لَكُنْتُمْ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. So you can practice that on your own. لَكُنْتُمْ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. صدق الله العظيم والحمد لله رب العالمين. Inshallah, بإذن الله, we'll see you in the next lesson.